Are you looking for the perfect solution for your needs in Oakland, California, and its surrounding areas? Look no further. California HVAC, with 35 years of experience, is the reliable choice for all your projects when we offer commercial and industrial refrigeration, air conditioning installation and repair, furnace installation and repair, kitchen hood exhaust ventilation, and more. Trust our skilled team for exceptional craftsmanship and dependable service. Ready? Call us now at 510-798-2123 or 415-570-7800. Let California HVAC elevate your project to the next level. Visit our website for more details. Trust California HVAC to safeguard and enhance your property with our unwavering commitment to quality and excellence. And don't miss out! Enjoy a special limited time offer, 20% off on all our services.